Hey guys, my name is Jonathon Henderson with Pressure Washing Marketing Pros. In today's video, I want to go ahead and show you guys the Google ad results we were able to get for our exterior cleaning clients in the month of April. And so we have a diverse range of clients ranging from Connecticut, Georgia, North Carolina, Florida, Texas, California. And so I'm going to be showing you guys results from clients that are from all over, because as you know right now, the month of April, we're in the midst of the busy season. And so that means that there's leads to be had, and Google Ads is definitely a tool that you guys can go ahead and use so that you can get more leads, especially for exterior cleaning business. And so before I start showing these results, I want to go ahead and go over some terminology so that just for some of you guys that may be new to Google Ads, right? You understand the results that I'm going over. And so one of the things I want to talk about is conversions. Conversions, guys, are essentially going to be leads. And this means, phone calls or form submissions. That is what we consider leads here at Pressure Washing Marketing Pros for our Google Ads campaigns. Right? Now, cost per conversion is going to be basically cost per lead. So how much did each of these leads cost? And then obviously, as you guys see, the cost is going to be the total sum of the money. And then conversion rate is going to be how many clicks ended up being leads. And so let me give you an example of that. If we got 20 conversions off of 100 clicks, that's a 20% conversion rate, because that means out of 100 people, we converted 20 of them, right? And so that's 20%. And so that's how you get the conversion rate. So I want to go over that terminology, because the most important thing here, guys, is going to just be the cost, the conversions and the cost per conversion essentially, but I want to go over that too. So without further ado, let's go over this first client right now. So this first client is in North Carolina. They've been absolutely crushing it right now. So they spent $2,600, right? And then they got 60 leads, and they spent $44 per lead essentially. And so this client's running pressure washing and window cleaning. And so for the pressure washing campaign specifically, they spent $1,900, and then they got 45 leads at basically $44 a pop. And then for window cleaning during this time frame, they spent $677, they got 15 leads, and they got $45 per lead, giving it an overall of 60 leads and $44. And so guys, like I said, this client has been very ecstatic with the results that they're getting, because before they started working with us, they were paying like $225 per lead. And so not only are they getting more leads, but they're also saving money as well. Right, guys? Now, this next client that we have here, this client is in Texas, and they're also killing it as well. And so for this client, overall, for the month of April, they spent basically $2,200, got 47 leads, and they were spending about $46 a lead in that sense, 47 if you want to round it up a little bit. And so the window cleaning campaign didn't go too hot. It was like our first month running the window cleaning campaign, and it probably wasn't in that season, right, guys? It got 37 clicks, 3 leads. Man, I don't like to see that number of $99 per lead essentially. But for pressure washing, they got 225 clicks. They spent $1,900. They got 44 leads, and they're spending $43 per lead. And so when you look at the grand scheme of things, the window cleaning didn't really hurt this campaign. You have to test out certain campaigns, which I tell people all the time. Like, sometimes things you have to find out which season they're best in. And so we know that window cleaning wasn't in season this go around, but it should be because, it's right now at the time of me filming this video, it's May 2nd, and this client has already got a couple of window cleaning leads already this month. So we know that it's in season. But yeah, overall, they spent $2,200, got 47 leads, $47 per lead when it comes to Google. That is great. Now, this other client that we have here, guys, these guys, it's funny enough, they actually turned off their campaign halfway through the freaking month. They actually turned their campaign off because they got too busy, right? And sometimes we have that problem with our clients. But if you look at their campaign, guys, because, it's paused right now, these are the two campaigns that we've been running. And so right here, they got they spent $1,600, closer to $1,700. They got 35 leads, and they're spending $48 per lead. And then when it came to roof cleaning as well, guys, they spent $98 or $99 basically, and got 4 leads, right, at $24 a pop. And so overall, they spent $1,700 or $1,800 basically, got 39 leads at $46 a pop. And so, not only were we doing that, but if you look at this number down here where it says 71, that's also, the total of their Google ads and their local service ads. So that means, guys, that their local service ads were able to bring them about 32 leads as well. So they got 32 leads from local service ads, and they got 39 from Google ads, which in sum, that is 71 leads that they got in total. And they're actually paying a lower cost per lead with the Google ads than they are the local service ads, funny enough, right? But this client absolutely killed it, and I hope they turn them back on here soon. They know who they are if they're watching this video, but we've been killing it and crushing it for them, and we look to continue to do so for these guys. And this client right here, now this client right now, they are in the great state of Michigan, right? So they're in Michigan, and they're absolutely killing it as well, right? A little bit of the cold weather started this campaign off a little bit slow, but now they're humming. So overall, they spent $1,700. They got 32 leads, about $53 a lead. And so if I look right now for their pressure washing campaign, they spent $1,400. They got 23 leads at $61 a pop. For roof cleaning, they spent $263, got 8 leads at $33 a pop. Then for paver sealing, they spent $33, and they got 1 lead. And so that was like literally $33 that they got for that. And so as you guys see here in total, they got 32 leads, $53 a lead in that sense. And then we also, manage some of their local service ads. So as you can see right here, they got 19 leads from local service ads as well. So that brings a cumulative total of leads that they got were about 51 leads with local service ads and Google ads as well. So these guys are absolutely killing it as well. And local service ads is something that I definitely think that every exterior cleaning business should be running, no matter how big or how small their company is. Now, this next client is in Maryland. Still, as you guys can see, where you're about to see with the results, this client, we have a modest budget when it comes to the Google ads because they kill it on their local service ads. We have it just straight optimized. But for the Google ads right now, they spent $987, got 18 leads, and they spent about $54 a lead in that sense. And so, yep, regular pressure washing campaign, guys, you don't even need such of a big budget, especially if you have a healthy market of, 500, 600,000 people or more that you're targeting. You can definitely get some great results with Google ads. And if I look right here, when it comes to the local service ads, guys, overall for the month of April, they got 98 leads. So they got 80 leads from the local service ads. And they're paying like $20, $25 a lead with their local service ads. We manage that for them as well. And so that's why we don't spend so much on the Google ads, because we get so many leads from the local service ads as well. So we can be a little bit conservative when it comes to the Google ads budget to capture some extra traffic. But we got 98 leads, overall, 80 of them from local service ads. And so if you combine the local service ads and Google ads, they're spending $29 a lead. Right, so awesome results that we're seeing from them. This is another client of ours right now that we also manage the local service ads and Google ads as well. But for this client's Google ads, they spent $950. They got 17 leads, and they got about $56 a lead. And they're in Connecticut, right? So they're in Connecticut. This campaign also started off a little slow at the beginning of the month, probably because it was weather affected. But nonetheless, guys, we've been charging through, and they've been really doing a great job with it. They got 23 leads from local service ads, right, guys? And so overall, the Google ads and the local service ads combined, they spent $2,000. They got 40 leads at $52 a lead. But singly for Google ads, they spent $950, got 17 leads at $56 a pop for the Google ads only. And so, as you can see, guys, Google is still, I would say king when it comes to digital marketing in that sense of the type of leads and lead flow you could be getting. Now, this is also another client that we manage the local service ads and the Google ads for as well, but we'll go over the Google ads here real fast. And so they have a pressure washing campaign that they spent $700 on. They got 13 leads, and they got about $54 a lead in that sense. And then they also have roof cleaning as well. So we spent $382. They got 8 leads for that, and they got about $47 a lead. Now for them, they actually started off really strong in January, February, and March because that's the busy season there in Florida, right? And so, in April and May, you can still get some modest results, and they still are getting consistent leads in that sense. And then from that, from the local service ads that we manage for them as well, they got 29 leads. And so they're spending about the same lead flow, when it comes to local service ads and Google ads. So that's how I know we're really where we need to be at with our Google ads, because if you're spending the same or less per lead than local service ads, then you're doing something right, And so overall, with the Google ads and the local service ads, this client got 50 leads and they got $51 per lead, basically for $2,500 that they spent total, right? But for the Google ads portion of that, they spent $1,000, $1,082. They got 21 leads at $51 a lead. And so I can definitely sleep at night with those numbers for that client. Now, this is another client in the actual Florida area as well. And so they're running pressure washing and roof cleaning. Now, the pressure washing, as you guys can see, wasn't too hot during that time, but the roof cleaning definitely was. And honestly, I've told this client this, the photos on these, I just don't like the photos that they have for the pressure washing stuff. Very blurry, inverted, and I just don't think that it works. But they have some phenomenal roof cleaning photos in that sense. And so that's why I think they're converting a lot better. Branding plays a role in this, guys. But if you look at this for their overall campaign, they spent $805. They got 20 leads at $40 a piece, right, for their Google Ads campaign. And that was, portioned out or distributed by, roof cleaning. They spent $516, got 17 leads at $30 a pop. That's awesome. Then for pressure washing, they spent $288. They only got 3 leads, and that's $96. And so that roof cleaning really brings that number down in that sense. And a lot of people like roof cleaning over pressure washing, but nonetheless, we're trying to get that pressure washing number down. It's very high bidders in that area. So, we got our work cut out for us. Now, right here, guys, this is a client that we have in Tennessee, right? And so this client's been doing very good. They spent $1,500. Right here, they got 24 leads at $62 a pop. We also do their local service ads as well, and so they spend about the same cost per lead with local service ads and Google ads. For the Google ads, like I said, they got 24 leads. If you add the local service ads in there, they got 7 local service ad leads, right? And so overall, guys, in the Google ads campaign, they spent $1,500, got 24 leads, $62 a pop. Then if you add the local service ads to it, overall, they spent $1,900, got 31 leads, and $62 with the Google ads and local service ads. So this client is killing it also, and we hope to keep maintaining these results. Now, this is a client too, guys, that we also do the Google ads and the local service ads as well. And this one started off a little bit slower, guys. This client's in Illinois, and so this one started off a little bit slower, just because even though they did really good. They landed with like a really large 5-figure job off of our Google Ads campaign, and so they've been killing it. In this campaign, guys, since in Illinois, it started off a little bit slow, as I said, and so they spent $1,900. They got 28 leads and about $70 per lead right there. But the biggest thing about that is if you look at the last 2 weeks of the month, in that sense, or the last half of the month, we really got that cost per lead down to it was $58. You know what I mean? If you look at the last 2 weeks of it, of course, if you look at the entire month, like the first 2 weeks, my God, because I don't know, it could have been weather, whatever it was. You're about $82 in that sense, right? And so in that last half of the month, basically, what ended up happening is we ended up spending 58, and so that's how we probably got to this number of, not this month, let me go, even this month they're killing it, right, guys? At the time I'm making this video right now, they got even better results right now, right? Even as you can see with the pressure washing campaign in May, from just May 1st and 2nd right now, $37 a piece in that sense. But let's go back to last month in that sense. So overall, guys, they spent $70 a lead. They got 28 leads in that sense, and so they're doing an awesome job right now. I hope to keep this going, because for pressure washing, they as you can see, 28 leads, spent $1,900, $69 a lead. Paver sealing, they spent $206. They got 3 leads at $68 a pop for that. And so overall, they spent $2,100, got 31 leads at $69 a lead. And so yeah, as you guys know, we've been able to slice that by like 40%, and we hope to continue to optimize this campaign. So if you guys need help with your Google ads, and you guys also want to increase your lead flow in your exterior cleaning business, go ahead and click the description. You know what I mean? Schedule a free strategy session with me and my team, and we can definitely go ahead and just analyze your market, help you with anything that you need in terms of any digital marketing. So Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions, concerns, thoughts, or comments, leave them below, and I'd love to talk to you guys soon, and see you in the next video.